I have 4 hours left to make my school project that was given about 1 month ago, and I'm gonna speedrun it right now. Will I make it in time? Let's do this. So the project is to take pictures around my school, then edit those pictures by adding filters, effects, photoshopping, and make it whatever you want. I could do that, but just adding filters and effects would be and my teacher will give higher grades to works that have more effort put into it. So I could put a bunch of things into the picture, but I suck at it. Well, I could just watch a tutorial to get good, but I don't have much time. Instead, I found a lazier, a faster way, which is by using AI. Now, if you didn't know, AI has been on the rise recently, and you can use AI to make about literally anything. You can even ask it to do your homework. It can even make art, which is what I'll use to make my project. So this is what I have here. So I type a bunch of words or a description of the picture I want to make, and I hit generate and let the AI do its thing. What? Don't know what happened there, but let's try again. Wall-E in the dinosaur era. That's not Wally, but it follows his color scheme. One more try. Wally in space. That's still not Wally, but it is in space now. Let's try something else. So I played with it some more, and I think it's time to use it for my project. Oh, this is the picture I chose, and I imagine it as like a lair, or a bat cave, or an alleyway, or maybe even the door as a portal to another world. So I upload the picture I wanted to edit, and type the prompt of what I want the picture to look like, and the AI will edit it for me. Easy as that, is what I thought. At first, I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. What is that? What? So I had to keep tweaking the settings. Um, nah. Let me get more specific. What is that? Let me try portal. What about portal to another world? Let's try changing the size. Okay, it's getting better. What if I add aliens? Nice. So I think it tried to put an alien. Is that an alien on the side and alien symbols on the door? So I kept trying different prompts and the results were improving, I guess. Colors, abstract art. Okay, we have an alleyway here. Neon lights. Whoa, wait. My teacher will think that I just downloaded this from the internet. I need it to somewhat look like the original picture. So these doors and that thing on the side should stay there. Next, I tried to make it look like it came from ancient Egypt with the bricks on the walls, the cracks there, and the hieroglyphics, the writings and the symbols in the walls. I think I broke it. Let me refresh. Then I tried making it look futuristic. I think I've seen this somewhere, but I don't know where. Then I went back to doing some more of Egypt. Look at that dinosaur. And so I had successfully used AI to make my project for me. And I did it in just 2 hours. Tell me, which picture would you choose? Tell me in the comments below. So I chose this one. And yeah, would you use AI to make your project and get away with it?